question for the accused person.
I have taken into consideration the heavy words by the accused person, but however, he has not shown any iota of remorse. The offense of murder carries punishment of death. This was infanticide and femicide. These are offenses which have become very rampant in our country, and they call for severe punishment. I have gone through the impact assessment report, and the court has taken into consideration of that report. But the murders of the three accused persons I find were barbaric. The prosecution has called for death penalty. I am aware that the Mugure case has not made it illegal, but in the circumstances of this case, and in bearing in mind the time the accused person has been in custody, I sentence him to life imprisonment. In respect of the three counts, this is concurrent sentence.